Hello, people of the worldwide interweb. Today on the bench, I got something kind of special. I think this is probably the nicest vise that I've gotten my hands on so far. What it is a Colombian. Apparently, they were produced in Ohio. I'm not too familiar with the company, but it's got some interesting features. One of which is a missing pivot bolt. So we'll have to find a solution for that. And this is kind of interesting here. We got cast over here, cast over here, cast over here, but then this kind of just looks like some folded steel. It doesn't look like it's casted, and it's inserted into the cast on this end over here. So never really seen a slide like that before. Pardon my ignorance. But other than cosmetically, this thing is as solid as can be, and I cannot wait to make it look like brand new. So, I guess, let's get into it. Some of y'all never got sent out to the garage during the summer to straighten out framing nails on the anvil when you were a kid. And you know what? It shows. Look at these handles. Just pounding away on the little anvil with a brass hammer. That way I don't mar it up more than I have to. And yeah, there you go. Bam. This is just I would say like kind of a mild steel, so it's got lots of ductility. You bend it a couple of times before she'll break. So yeah, they're much straighter now. Awesome. On. Suction. On. Jump on in, Buttercup. We're about to go to the blasting cabinet. Okay, so it's time to color the letters on, and I'm going actually to be using the color green. And I know that maybe you might think it might be a little bit Christmassy, but apparently red and green complement one another. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. And you know, back in the day, they had some different ideas about color schemes. Not quite the same as nowadays. So I'm gonna try it, and I suppose if I don't like it, I could always repaint it a different color. But yeah, I'm hoping that the green will really make it pop. So here's a little trick. You got your little paint bottles. Tape it up really secure to a Sawzall blade, and grab the Sawzall, or reciprocating saw, if you will, for those who want to be politically correct, because it's not a Sawzall brand. Put that in there. Bateria. Oh, that's not good. So, put more tape. And now we start the final assembly here, and I think I got everything I need right here, so we'll get into it. So here it is complete. You know, I'm not totally satisfied with the paint job, because yeah, I think I went a little bit too heavy 24 hours later, and it started to peel up the layer below, but still kind of gives it a cool effect. I don't know if you can really see that in the camera. All in all, it looks pretty good, and it looks a lot better than it used to, and everything moves nice and easy. You know, fresh grease in there, and yeah, that's my little resto on this little Colombian. Beautiful little vise. So, and I think that the green lettering actually was a nice detail. So I'm glad I went that route. And that's about it. So thank you for watching, and yeah, maybe we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.